If you're like me, you probably have a tab open for ChatGPT, another one for Claude, and even one for Gemini. And you're probably paying for all of them separately. And in this video, I want to show you a single tool that pulls all of them into a single place, adds image and video generation, and even builds full apps for you for only a couple of dollars a month. The tool is called ChatLLM by Abacus AI. I've dropped the exact link in the description and also pinned in the comment section. Here is the core idea. Instead of jungling subscriptions, ChatLLM by Abacus AI gives you one assistant with access to all of the top models. We have ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, and many others. Every time that a new model drops, they add it so fast, so you're always working with the latest model, and also including new releases like Fable 5 and the newest ChatGPT and Opus models. And if you don't know which model to use, there's also a feature called RouteLLM. Basically, you just type in a prompt and it automatically is going to route it to the best model for that specific task. So if you have a coding question, a creative task, or even want a quick summary, it's going to pick the exact one and the right one for it. And this is not just text, it's basically from the same chat box you can create images from a single prompt. You also got access to generators like Nano Banana Pro, ChatGPT image, Midjourney, and a lot more. And you can also generate videos too, with models like Seedance and Kling. So you're writing your images and your videos all in just one single workspace. The part that genuinely makes ChatLLM so powerful is that it includes an agent that can actually build things for you. You can ask it to put together a professional research presentation. You can have it create a full stack app just by chatting with no coding needed. You can also spin up a website that accepts payments for Stripe or even build a mobile app for iOS and Android. It will even run cloud services and host your own models. So basically, if you can describe it, it's basically an agent that takes a real shot at building anything and everything. Also, an important thing that ChatLLM offers is that if you work with other people, you can also invite your team and manage everyone in just one place. So it's extremely easy to do that. You can also share conversation with teammates, so instead of copying and pasting around, you just hand out the thread. You can also connect your work tools directly, so it plugs into existing connectors like Slack, Teams, Google Drive, and OneDrive. And from there, you can also build chatbots and AI agents that actually know your data. Now, let's talk about the cost, because this is one of the most important factors. So paying for ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok all separately, that can build up pretty fast. ChatLLM by Abacus AI gives you all of them plus the image, video, and also agent tools for just $10 a month. Yes, 10 USD. With just one subscription instead of 3 or 4, 6, 7, I don't know, yeah. So if you want to try, the link is going down in the description and also in the pinned comments. You can give it a look, try a few prompts for yourself, and see how much of that juggling tabs it replaces. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Flash, and I'll see you into the next one reviewing another AI tool. Peace out.